ka Shillong Medical College SMC kabalaya chat menta hakijing hikai bajing puli kadang up ya kapor baka Sorkar Jilla kan Plie padba namar Myntri rang bado Narendra Modi ni Myntri ka Koit kekhya jong ka Sorkar India Jagat Prakash Nanda umpat yok por banwan kiu Shillong na kijing bun kam jungki haki election hakeleng ki Jilla kari India uba wailat miki Shilla Myntri ka Koit kekhya ka Meghalaya Ulayat ho baka Sorkar ka Meghalaya ka kwa yakini arngut ki Myntri jong ka Sorkar India banwan pripat ba ya ka Shillong Medical College kijing yakren bat jingpen bed yaki tarik ban Plie ya ka SMC kidang ya chaprang ulaong ka Jilla kadang don kambun sepangut ki doktor ban penbiang yaki jing sumar na kabenta ki pat ba kamtam shikinong kendong ulayat ho ki jing dan kam ki pat ba yaki doktor bala pentibet janai specialist ka jur hado kata-kata ula benyau da kabaong bun ki doktor kim tre ban rong hakikam Sorkar ulaong da ka jingmi ka Shillong Medical College Tura Medical College bat ka Purno Samla Medical College kinla ban penbiang doktor na kabenta kipat ba ka Jilla hakini kisnem banwan lakmi denti man usnem kini ki Medical College can say amduna arspa san pongot ki doktor ki ba pensting ya ki jingdan kam kipat ba.
Well, see, because as we, I think, not only you, all of us, we are expecting to see, because this is very one of the, kind of long aspiration of the people of the state. So that's why we want to do it in a big way. So the people should realize the importance of this. So that's why we are expecting either PM or our Union Health Minister should come and inaugurate. So we have discussed actually a couple of times where they have given us date also. But later on, I think something come up, then we have to cancel it. So even now also we are in the discussion that because we want either PM or Union Health Minister what to inaugurate. So we are just waiting for the finalization.
What is the tentative date?
As soon as possible, because we don't want also to delay so much, because as we all know the session is already started. So no doubt we are as soon as possible, whenever they can give us time. We are continuously in touch with.
Considering
You have seen it yourself while doing the inauguration also that the area is so jam-packed. So we need a space to do the proper testing, and we all know, and we are also planning to bring more equipment in the future. So for that we need space, proper space. So that's why after the consultation with the commissioner, they have requested for the expansion. So that's why we have sanctioned, and the tender is already for the next particular of this testing.